Hi folks, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. Today is Tuesday, July 23rd. I'm going to be making a few videos in a row, so if you notice that I kind of have the same top on, that's why. And yes, I'm feeling better. Thank you for the nice comments. So I wanted to share today. I bought 2 mystery bags from Lionbrand. They actually arrived yesterday, which is really quick for Lionbrand. I ordered them in the middle of last week, and I wanted to show, and they had a discount on the kits, so I bought some mandala from Lionbrand in the colorway Groot to make a dress kit that looked really pretty. And I'm sure a lot of you know this, but just in case you don't, this is a DK weight yarn. It's very pretty. They have a lot of really pretty colorways. It's 5.3 ounces or 150 grams, 590 yards or 540 meters. It's 100% acrylic yarn. And they recommend using US H8 5mm hook or size 5 knitting needles. It's machine wash, and you can dry it as well. Sorry, my voice isn't completely back. So that's what the yarn label says. I know it's kind of hard to read because it's that light colored font. So anyways, so I got a few of those. Now to show you, and this blanket, I have shown it before. I did finally finish it. The pattern is a free pattern from the Crochet Crowd. It's called The Study of Determination. They have video tutorials for it on their site. I use Red Heart's Super Staver Fruity Stripes. So yeah, it's all done. And I added my own border to it, which is a row of reverse single crochets or the crab stitch. So I think it came out really pretty. If you want to see the whole version of the blanket, please go to my community tab on YouTube and you can see the whole picture of the whole blanket there. It's just really hard to show such big blankets when my camera is this close up to me. So anyways, so I ordered 2 mystery bags. They came like this in a box. Both are the same, so I'm only gonna show, see, I'll show you. See, they're both the same. And so I'll show you what came in one of them, and obviously that's the same thing I got in the second one. So I got a 3-pack of yarn of Schitt's Creek yarn, a 3-pack of Vanna's Choice yarn, and 1 big ball of Lionbrand Pound of Love in the colorway Straw. So I have a whole other pack of each of these in the second bag. So I've never really had Vanna's Choice. I'm gonna show you it. It's okay. It's not super soft. It's a little bit on the rougher side, and it's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 170 yards or 156 meters, 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable. It's categorized as a medium 4-weight yarn. Using a J, they recommend using a J or size 6mm, J10 I guess is what they call it, 6mm crochet hook or size 9 knitting needles. And it's a little on the thicker side. It's thicker than Pound of Love, and also thicker than the Schitt's Creek. And this color is called Midnight Blue. So that's the yarn label. It's a pretty blue. Yeah, it's okay. I prefer it much better than limited edition yarn that it was being sent in a lot of the other mystery bags. So this is the Schitt's Creek yarn. I have other videos where I unbox it and I actually take it out of the bag and everything. I believe it's been discontinued, or they have it on their clearance yarn. It has a really nice sheen to it. It's also categorized as a 4-weight yarn, but it's a lot thinner, and they recommend using an H8 5mm crochet hook or size, I can't read that, I think 8. Knitting needles, machine wash, gentle cycle, tumble dry, and Vanna's choice was machine washable and dryable. And this colorway is called Café Tropical, Tropical, and what's the yardage on this? It's 7 ounces or 200 grams. And the yardage is 372 yards or 340 meters per skein. And that's what the info for the, you know, all those details there. And then the Lionbrand Pound of Love. Oh, that's 100% acrylic. This is also 100% acrylic. And I think they're trying to get rid of this color for a while because it was on clearance for other stuff. And I like to keep it in the bags when I have it in the bags until I'm going to use it. So it's 1,020 yards, 932 meters, 16 ounces or 454 grams. They also recommend a size H8 5mm crochet hook. Sorry, 8 5mm knitting needles, or they recommend a J10 6mm crochet hook, which they changed that because I feel like it used to have a different size on their label. I'm gonna look at older ones and see. Yeah, 100% acrylic, machine washable and dryable, and that's about the thickness. It looks a little thicker than their usual Pound of Loves that I've had before. Maybe they're starting to make them thicker. Anyways, I'm gonna test that out later on my own, off video, and I'll let folks know. But I definitely feel like I have older skeins of this that I bought 2 or 3 years ago, or even 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm gonna look at some of those older ones that I have in my stash, because I didn't realize that change that they wrote there, or even like that it looks thicker. Anyways, so yeah, so I wanted to go over that. So I wanted to mention too, if you guys like the content of my channel, please click like and subscribe. And also, I was making this shawl. Ooh, and I actually put away the yarn already that was left over. This was using Yarnarts Alpaca, the alpaca flower. I don't know if it says flower on that label. But anyways, this is Bag O Day Crochet pattern. It's one of the new ones that she released recently for the video tutorial. That's what it looks like. It's called Whispers in My Mind. I'll put the link up in the top of the video as an information card. I think it came out really pretty. I stopped and didn't go as far as Crystal did in her video for the shawl, but it fits me nicely. You know, nice and big. I stopped like at row 52. So yeah, sorry I don't have the yarn information with me. And I had a good amount left in the cake too. I know she mentioned she used the whole thing and had this really big shawl, but yeah. And thank you so much, Crystal. Actually, this is the first time that I'm using this alpaca yarn. It actually came to me in a mystery box that I bought last year from you. I think it was like around September or towards the later part of the year. So yeah. So I think it came out pretty. And I added a row of single crochet on the top to give it a nice border. And I'm crocheting this together like kind of crochet along with Dawn Erin. So I'm excited to see how Dawn Erin's shawl looks and how far she's gotten to. And then we also both had bought this kit from Bag O Day Crochet from Mary Maxim, which is the Beauty Runs Deep kit. And it comes with a pattern. The pattern's in here. I actually bought the one that's with the purple, brown, and white. The purple one's, I thought it would be stronger color. This is what the kit looks like. It comes in a big bag. It comes with 3 skeins of this purple yarn, and 2 of this brown, and 2 of this beigey color, which is cottonwood. It's the Mary Maxim Value yarn. That's the cottonwood color. And this is the light brown color, which is kind of like a taupe. And this is a light purple, but on their website, their purple looks a lot stronger. Here they have it labeled as medium violet. And these just say they're over 450 yards, so they're actually 474 yards or 445 meters, 100% acrylic, 227 grams or 8 ounces, made in Serbia. They recommend a US 7 knitting needle and machine washable and dryable using gentle cycle for 2 minutes, tumble dry, low heat, maximum 5 minutes, and then lay flat to dry, do not dry clean. Yeah, so that's the medium violet. The brown is light brown, and the other one is cottonwood. I was hoping there was more of a so I started it last night, so I have this much done. Sorry, I'm still attached to all the yarn, so that much done. And if you notice, there's not much of a contrast between my brown and my purple. They sort of look not very far off in tones. I really would like it to have more of a contrast. I was thinking maybe I would use a different purple and pull that from my stash, but what I may do is actually take out this brown row and switch the colors and put the cottonwood for my next color sequence, and then put the brown, which will be on top of the cottonwood, and then next to the purple, and I think that'll be okay. So I have to think about that. If not, I may just use a darker purple. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show everyone today. Hope you have a great time. And again, I have some, I don't know how many more videos I'm gonna record a few today, and then I'll have them get released later on, like in the next few days or stuff like that. I need to film the unboxing of the mystery box that I got from Crystal from Bag O Day Crochet, and I also had ordered one of her yarn boxes. That's in the mail. And I have a Mary Maxim order that's on its way, and other stuff coming up where if I have a chance, I'm going to try to do some Tunisian crochet book reviews. So that's everything. Thanks so much. Bye. Have a great day or night.